Hey y'all, today we're going to talk about the kitchen tool, the rolling pin. I think most young people believe that rolling out pie crust or biscuits or something like that and preparing them without using store-bought products is very difficult, but it's not. It's really, really simple. And some videos are already up that show you how to do that, and I'm going to be adding more later. But I want to talk to you about these rolling pins because there are all types of rolling pins out there. I particularly like this one the best. This is my favorite one, this wood one. This one I had to dig out of my cabinets because it's so old. And this is one that I use, but they make all kinds. They make them stainless steel now so that they stay cool when you're rolling out the pie dough. But the most important roller pin I have, these right here, baby. These big old fat hands. My hands, because this is what I saw my mom do with biscuits. I saw her take that biscuit dough and use her hand and roll it out and then cut her biscuits out. But I realized that I do need a roller pin because I'm not as an experienced a cook as my mom was. So I need a rolling pin. So I use this one. It's light. It's wood and it works perfectly and I love it. And I just wanted to come on here for a few minutes and tell you that this is another kitchen tool you should add to your list of things to get for the kitchen because a rolling pin will do so much better. You can bang out nuts with them when you don't want to put the nuts in the food processor or something like that, or break some candy up or something like that. And they're just a great tool to have. So I want to encourage you to get rolling pins, and then also check out the video where I show you how to actually make pie crust, because it's easier than you think. And once you realize how to do it, you're going to be able to do it at night before you go to bed. Throw it in the refrigerator, let it sit off all day while you're working, and be able to roll your pie out later that night. And once you taste, once you taste a pie with your homemade pie crust, I promise you, you'll never want to use store-bought pie crust again. I promise you that. So I want to encourage you to get you a rolling pin and add it to your kitchen tools. This is Val Taylor signing off. I'll see y'all on the next video. Y'all go out and make it a great day. Bye now.